Hi guys, let's solve this classic substitution problem together. Okay, so the question says that if x plus 1 over x equals to 5, okay, you should find what x squared plus 1 over x squared. All right, so I'm going to show us the quickest and the fastest way to solve this problem. All right, so now solution. What you are going to do is to take this original equation and square it. Okay, so it means that we have x plus 1 over x equals to 5. All right, so we're going to square both sides. We're going to square this side, and we're also going to square this side. Okay, so let's expand and see what we have. All right, so we can write this as x plus 1 over x. Okay, multiplying x plus 1 over x. That's what the square means. And then what is 5 square? 5 square is 25. Okay, so now let's open the brackets. X times x will give us x square. X times 1 over x, that will give us x multiplying 1 over x. All right, so we'll move to this. 1 over x times x will give us x multiplying 1 over x. And then we have 1 over x times 1 over x. Okay, so it will give us 1 over x squared. All right, everything equals to 25. Okay, so now this x will cancel this x. Also here, this x will cancel this x. We have x squared. What we have left here is 1. And here too we have 1. Okay, and here 1 square is 1. And x squared will give us x squared. Everything equals to 25. Okay, now let's add 1 and 1. We have that to be 2. We have 2, that is 1 plus 1. And we have 1 over x squared equals to 25. Let's take these two to the other side, like collecting like terms. We have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to, this is 25 minus 2. So that means we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to 25 minus 2 will give us 23. Okay, remember that the question says that we should find x squared plus 1 over x squared. Okay, and that is what we have already calculated to be 23. That means our final answer is 23. Okay, so now let's solve something very similar to that. Let's try this. We have, let's try this. Try this. If x plus 1 over x equals to 4. All right, so find s cubed plus 1 over s cubed. All right, so if x plus 1 over x equals to 4, you should find what s cubed plus 1 over s cubed is. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure that you drop your answer in the comment section. See you next time.